is, hi everyone, naghahanap ka ba ng maternity benefit? Or in case may complications sa pregnancy, you need health protection? This is the plan that is recommended for you. Sun Maiden Plus. Good for health protection. Meron siyang female critical illness benefit, health and wellness benefit, which is during the first 10 years of the coverage, take advantage of total 5 free diagnostic or preventive procedure to keep you in shape. Meron din siyang female critical illness benefit, worry less about the financial impact brought by female specific illness and surgeries. Sun Maiden provides you additional cash benefit equivalent to a portion of the policy's face amount for the condition of the procedures such as cancer, severe osteoporosis, and hysterectomy, to name a few. Alright, and automatically renewability. Your coverage automatically renews every 5 years with premium adjusted based on the insured's attained age upon your renewal. So meaning, ito yung 5 major benefit ng plano. May life insurance coverage siya na original face amount, equivalent. So, ang face amount na nilagay ko dito is 500,000. So, ganun din yung female critical illness, 500,000. Then, life insurance is 500,000. And then, accidental death benefits, 500,000. Meaning, if yung cause of death is accident, magiging 1 million siya ang bibigay sa mga naiwan. So, life insurance is also known as death benefit, no? And then, mayroon din siyang, yung sinabi dito na 5, total of 5. So, every year, pwede ka magpa-test, no? Okay, that's, para pwedeng magpa-check. So, papakita ko sa iyo mamaya yung listahan. Mga pap smear siya, mammography, ganon mamaya. So, meron din siya maternity benefit. Yan. So, up to 3 children delivered in case of pregnancy-related complications. Okay. So, let's go to the benefit. So, dito, yung 5 free diagnostic procedures is pag-test sa ovarian cancer, pelvic ultrasound, breast ultrasound, mammography. Yan yung sinabi ko at the first 10 years of the plan. Ayan. So, pagka-renew mo no in the 5 years to pay ito, pero pag nirenew mo ulit, another 5 years, 10 years na ulit. 10 years to pay na. Ayan. So, yun, mga critical illness benefit, we have other supplementary, no? Pero dito sa plan na to, wala nilagay dito na critical illness benefit kasi may added charge yan. Pwede mo palagay kung gusto mo lang. Ayan. And then, this is based sa age na 29 years old, female, non-smoker. So, naghahanda na siya para maging mom, mabuntis. Pero, mapapakinabangan lang nitong plan after 1 year or 12 months. Kailangan after 12 months ka pa mabuntis. So, pinaplano talaga siya na bago ka mabuntis, kinuha mo na tong i-plan para mapakinabangan mo kapag ka nag-child delivery ka na. So, this plan is annual premium 11,000. Wala pang 1,000 per month. So, mura-mura lang yan. Pwedeng lump sum, annually na bayaran. Okay? Kasi yung compare naman sa benefit niya, kahit 11,000 lang yan. 500,000 yung benefit nito. In case may illness, female critical illness, o kaya life insurance or death, yung yung nangyari pag nag-complication yung pregnancy, no? And then, additionally, ito yung mga female critical illness. Cancer sa breast, cervix, uterus, ovary, fallopian tube, vagina. So, yan, mga lupus, arthritis, osteoporosis, So, mga females na sakit talaga yan, no? Until, pwede rin nyo yung plan na to kasi mga osteoporosis, pwedeng mga after mga senior na, pag matandang sakit, no? Mga arthritis. So, pwede rin nyo to until age 65. Okay? So, yun yung mga benefit niya. Pagka-cancer, 125,000. And then, 125,000. Pag lupus, pag arthritis, 75,000. Pag osteoporosis, 50,000. 25,000. Ayan. So, pag plastic surgery due to accident, meron din 50,000. Skin transplantation due to accidental burning, 50,000. So, maximum amount for policy. Multiple kasi pagka, ito naman halimbawa lang pag marami kang Sun-Maiden Plus na every year kumukuha ka. Kaya maximum hanggang dyan lang. Then, maternity benefit, pregnancy complication, yung DIC, ectopic pregnancy, and then, yan yung sa letter C, 50,000 siya pagka nagkaroon ng complication sa maternity delivery. And then, benefit every child delivered, maximum of 3, 10,000 per child. Yan, okay. So, kung nalilitan ka sa coverage na to, pwede pa naman natin taasan. This is just the minimum coverage, no? 500,000 on the event talaga na-diagnose ng sakit. O kaya, ang benefit ng plan every child is 10,000 lang, no? 10,000 yan per child. And then, this one, ang duration ng plan, so ipinakita ko 11,000 na premium kanina, that's annual premium for first 5 years. Kung re-renew mo again, for 6 to 10 years, 9,000 na lang, 9,880. If magre-renew ka ulit, 11 to 15th year, 10,270. So, mura pa rin, no? Mas nagmura pa nga, bumaba. Nag-adjust. So, 16 to 20, 10,500. Kasi parang tumatagal, hindi na rin mabubuntis, di ba? Kaya bumababa. Bumababa yun din yung rate na baka hindi na mabuntis. And pwede na lang dito sa death benefit. Kaya, until age 65, yan, 15,430 lang. So, this plan is accepted age niya from age 18 to 45 for non-smoker, no? Or smoker. 45 years old yung accepted age. Then, pwedeng mag-renew na lang hanggang age 65. So, this plan is term insurance, no money back, no savings component, no dividends, no investment. So, kumbaga, parang binayaran mo lang na, para siyang car insurance na binabayaran mo para covered ka in case may mangyari na complication. Pero kapag hindi mo na binayaran, maglalaps na siya ng kusa. Okay, pwede pa naman ma-reinstate. Pero again, after 12 months ulit, bago ka mabuntis para mapakinabangan mo kung nag-lapse. Kaya iwasan po natin mag-lapse ito. Para hindi na back to zero yung count, no? So, summarize ko lang, 11,000 lang siya yearly. Covered ka na ng 500,000 in case na critical illness ka or life insurance na yan. Kasi may mga giging pregnant din na binabawian ng buhay during their pregnancy. Hindi natin sure eh. At least, mabuhay man yung bata, may maiwan na 500,000. Or kung nalilitan ka sa plan na ito, pwede pa naman natin taasan. Okay, so let me know if you want this Sun-Maiden Plus good for woman like you para for prevention, health protection. Let me know if you have any questions or iba pang mga plans na gusto mo ipa-discuss na accurate para sa age mo. I'm always available naman. Thank you for listening. Bye.